If you're preparing for your first overnight camping trip or looking to upgrade your current tent, there are many options to choose from. Camping tents nowadays come with various features designed to enhance your camping experience. Some offer advanced weather protection, ensuring you stay dry and comfortable even in adverse conditions, while others boast user-friendly designs that make setting up camp a breeze. Additionally, many modern tents incorporate smart storage solutions and ventilation systems to keep the interior organized and well-ventilated. They come in a variety of sizes ranging from spacious 8-person tents with enough headroom for the whole family to compact 2-person tents best suited for solo campers. To help you select the best camping tent, we've compiled a list of the top camping tents currently on the market. Here goes our top recommendation. All product links are provided in the description. Number 5. iKamper Skycamp 2.0. The iKamper Skycamp 2.0 is the best rooftop tent. Its sleek design, spacious interior, and durable construction make it a top choice among rooftop campers. The Skycamp 2.0 features a hardshell case and is priced around $3,700. It weighs 160 pounds and can comfortably sleep up to 4 people. It comes equipped with a king-size memory polyfoam mattress and boasts an easy 1-minute setup time. One of the standout features of the Skycamp 2.0 is its universal mounting system, which allows it to fit on most vehicles. It is designed for all seasons, with multiple layers that provide easy window access during the day and create a dark and secure environment at night. However, due to its weight, the Skycamp 2.0 may not be suitable for all vehicles. For instance, while it can be installed on a Subaru Forester, which is near its weight limit, it may affect handling and require careful monitoring of speed. Setting up the Skycamp 2.0 at the campsite is straightforward. The tent pops open upon unpacking, and setup involves propping up the doorway and windows. The included ladder not only assists with entry and exit, but also supports the tent structure. Multiple windows and a skylight provide ample natural light and airflow. Overall, the iKamper Skycamp 2.0 is a highly recommended rooftop tent for its ease of setup, spaciousness, and durability, making it an excellent choice for rooftop camping enthusiasts. Number 4. Coleman Darkroom Skydome. The Coleman Darkroom Skydome is highly recommended for light sleepers and those who appreciate a dark sleeping environment while camping. The tent is available in 4-person, 6-person, and 8-person models, featuring 3 poles, 1 door, and 0 windows. It's affordably priced and offers a dark interior that's perfect for midday naps or camping during the summer solstice. The appeal of the Coleman Darkroom Skydome is evident for anyone who has ever been awakened by the early morning sun hitting their tent. During the day, even with bright sunlight outside, the interior of this tent remains close to pitch black, with minimal light sneaking in at the corners and around the door edges. It also stays cooler than similarly enclosed tents. Setting up the Coleman Darkroom Skydome, even the 8-person model I reviewed, was fairly straightforward. The 2 main poles, located at the far corners of the tent, simply crisscross over each other. A simple design familiar to anyone who has used a 2-person tent. However, this design does come with some limitations. Despite being labeled as an 8-person tent, it offers only 108 square feet of space. The tent also exhibited significant buffeting in the wind, although the fiberglass poles managed to withstand it. Overall, the Coleman Darkroom Skydome is a very functional tent that delivers on its promises, even though it's slightly smaller than expected. Number 3. Eureka Copper Canyon LX8. The Eureka Copper Canyon LX8 is recognized as one of the best camping tents available, particularly for accommodating large groups. The tent features dimensions of 13 feet by 10 feet with a height of 7 feet, weighing 33.5 pounds. It includes 10 poles and packs down to 11 inches by 29 inches. With 2 doors and 6 windows, the Eureka Copper Canyon LX8 offers excellent livable space and ventilation. The Eureka Copper Canyon LX8 is praised for its superior weather protection, affordability, and generous headspace. It features near-vertical walls that allow individuals over 6 feet tall to stand comfortably. Despite strong winds buffeting the sides, the fiberglass poles held up well, and the rainfly provides ample protection against overnight rain once the windows are zipped up. The main downside of the Eureka Copper Canyon LX8 is its somewhat complicated setup process. 3 fiberglass poles crisscross the ceiling and connect to 6 steel poles at each end to form the walls, with an additional pole creating an awning over the doorway. While the setup instructions were clear, it required significant time and effort. Setting up the tent body alone is manageable, but attaching the rainfly requires assistance from a second person, especially someone taller. In summary, the Eureka Copper Canyon LX8 is an excellent choice for families or groups looking for a spacious and durable camping tent with superior weather protection and ample ventilation, despite its slightly complex setup process. Number 2. NEMO Aurora Highrise 6P. The NEMO Aurora Highrise 6P is the best overall 6-person camping tent. This tent weighs 18 pounds, 10 ounces and features a floor size of 100 by 120 inches with a generous headspace of 77 inches. It includes 2 doors and 4 poles. Setting up the NEMO Aurora Highrise 6P is a breeze, even for one person. Inserting the 2 longest poles through crisscrossing sleeves, anchoring them into grommets at opposite ends, and securing a handful of tabs to pull the body taut is straightforward. 2 additional poles run lengthwise across the tent to maximize headspace. The color-coded corners on the rainfly make it easy to align and secure, eliminating the usual struggle of putting it on single-handedly. The rainfly, supported by the lengthwise poles, helps protect against the elements, even in challenging ground conditions where proper staking is difficult. The taut structure provided by the poles and fly alone made up for any shortcomings in staking, which is often a challenge in car camping scenarios. The NEMO Aurora Highrise 6P offers plenty of vestibule space and great headroom across its interior, allowing for different configurations to suit your needs. However, the window closure mechanism is not as secure as it could be, and the intense blue interior color might not be to everyone's taste. In conclusion, the NEMO Aurora Highrise 6P is an outstanding choice for families or groups seeking a spacious and easy-to-set-up camping tent. Its durable construction, ample interior space, and thoughtful design make it a top contender in the 6-person tent category. Number 1. MSR Habiscape. The MSR Habiscape is the best camping tents available, particularly in the 4-person category. This tent, also available in a 6-person model, features 6 poles and 2 doors, with a peak interior height of 73 inches. Setting up the MSR Habiscape is straightforward. The tent has 2 long poles that crisscross at the center, forming its basic structure. Additionally, for shorter poles connect the upper portion of the 4 walls, which enhances its structural integrity without significantly increasing setup difficulty. The tent offers plenty of headspace, allowing a 5'5" individual to stand not only at the center but also along the sides and at the doors. It includes 10 pockets in total, with 2 accessible from outside the tent, making it convenient to access essential items without having to step inside. During windy conditions, the MSR Habiscape demonstrates excellent structural stability. Despite the wind, there is minimal movement, even without the guy lines set up. One standout feature of the MSR Habiscape is its stuff sack. Unlike most tent stuff sacks that open at the end, the MSR Habiscape stuff sack opens along the side. This design makes packing away the tent much easier, especially when the rainfly is wet or the tent body is dirty. Simply stuffing the rainfly and body into the sack, adding the stake and pole bags on top, and tightening the compression straps ensures quick and hassle-free packing. Overall, the MSR Habiscape is an outstanding choice for campers looking for a spacious and durable 4-person tent that excels in inclement weather. Its high ceiling height, structural integrity, and thoughtful design make it a top pick for camping adventures. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendation.